Page 18, A Swan on the Lake. Well, look it over. It's 2 pages long. Treble bass clef, at least to start. There are 2 sharps in the key signature. We're either in the key of D major or B minor. It ends here. D major. Do the scales and arpeggios for both if you're doing them, though. D major and B minor, because they have 2 sharps. 6/8 time signatures, so an 8th note gets a count, which means the dotted quarter note gets 3 counts, and the dotted half note gets 6 at the beginning. Now, they've got you here moving around, but when I look at these measures and the notes in them, like the first 4 measures, here and here and here and here, they're all right here. So I'm just going to use this position. I'm going to do all of that in one hand position. So in the first measure, it's a 1, 2, and then a 2, 3, and then a 2, 3 again. I just second finger out. 2. I did it all in one hand position. Then going on, now you come up. Now in the third line, I need 4th finger in the second measure, here. So I can do 2, 5 going on here, and then the last line on page 18 is 1, 4, and then a 1, 5. And 1, 4 at the end, and again 2, 5 at the top of page 19. 1, 4. Now here we got to use a 1, 5. I need the 1 on the G sharp, or I run out of fingers. Here. Then going on, then it's same fingering as at the beginning. Last line, I'm here. Just come up here. 1, 4. That's the last line. 1, 4, 2, 5, and then come up. It's the same notes in different octaves. Here, here. So I'm going to use the same fingering. I use 2, 5, keep me out here. You can use 1, 5 if you want. I just like to stay out here. That's all. Left hand's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and they're crossing over. 3. That's okay if you want that practice of crossing over, but you don't need to, and normally we don't. Rather than this, we would just extend out and do that. We'll do 1. Typically, that's how we would do all of those. So I'll leave that up to you and your teacher, whether you cross over or extend. I don't care. But I'm going to extend because that's how I do it. In the last measure on page 19, you're down here. And the last note is a D. Well, again, you can figure it out. A C is 2 ledger lines, 3, 4, 5. 5th ledger line down, it's a D. Put the hands together, and I'll hesitate, but that's okay right now. And here, here. So I go through the whole thing and put the hands together, and then I'll go back over it slowly, maybe a line or 2 at a time, and get rid of any hesitations. And again, when you're working on getting rid of hesitations, only work on the spots where you're hesitating. Don't keep playing it all. That's a waste of time. Once you can play something right now, set it aside and work on what you can. Then when you get it all, then you go play it all and check it. When the hesitations are gone, at least I think they are, I do the articulation. And this is a very connect thing. Yeah. Like every 4 measures is a new phrase you can lift up if you want. In the left hand, I'm going to connect it if I can. I can't connect it all the way. When I got to go here, I can't connect that. But otherwise, I'm going to connect the left hand if I can. Then the dynamics. Mezzo piano at the beginning applies to the melody. That's the right hand. Sort of soft. This, very soft in the background. And they don't give any other dynamic. I don't know why. Because you don't want to play it all at one. Ugh. Get a little louder, softer if you feel it. Once you get into the music, if you can feel it getting louder or softer, put it in. At the end, I suggest you get softer here. Softer. Very soft. Here, very soft, yeah. My opinion. Your teacher may have other ideas for dynamics, and that's fine too. Top of page 19 here. First line. Maybe you want to slow down and get softer there, huh? Because of the fermata, you're going to hang on to that. And then you can go back to moderately soft to start. Whichever. You experiment with the expression and the dynamics. And then the speed. Moderato, legato, e dolce. Moderato is the speed. Legato e dolce is the articulation. Legato means connected. We already did that. Dolce is sweetly. Think sweetly as you're playing this. It's not a war. It's not a lively party. It's a sweet thing. It's like a nocturne. You go to sleep to this. Moderato is just in the middle somewhere. Moderato gets a little tricky with 6/8 time because it can be different things. Is it the beat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this piece, that sounds a little slow. Or it could be the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So. That sounds kind of okay. The eighth notes will slow it down a little bit, but the dotted half notes will speed it up. Yeah? So that might be okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 throughout. It needs to be accurate, so don't go faster than that. And then on top of all that, they've added pedal. Well, again, I've learned it up to this point without, because I want to make sure the hands are doing everything, the fingers are doing everything, and I can hear everything clearly. Because when I add pedal, I want to know what the effect is. And again, they're just pedaling it all. Well, okay, we'll try that first and see, but if I don't like it, I'm going to change it. The eighth notes go by quickly, so I'm going to have to put the note down with it. And change it with it. If you don't like that pedaling, then change it. What can we do to change it? Well, maybe I change it every 3 beats instead of every measure. Here. That clears that out. It's a different effect. What do you like? If I want the phrasing, I lift up for the phrasing. Lift up. Also silence. Lift up. Lift up. So you get a little silence. Like taking a breath, you can add the phrasing. There are different ways of doing it. It's interpreting the music. Do it the way your teacher tells you to, but I'm trying to give you some other ideas, things to think about. Let's play this together slowly to check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics. We're not performing. There aren't any dynamics, really. And I'm not going to do the pedaling because you hear it better without the pedaling. The fermata at the top of page 19 in the last measure, I'm going to hold that low A. I'm going to hold it 6 counts instead of 3. I'm just going to double the value of that and then go on so I can stay with the metronome. I'll give it 6 counts to come in. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 1, 5, 6, 5, 6, 6. 6. 5, 6. 5, 6. 5, 6. 5, 6. 6. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Now go on. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.